Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this session, we're going to discuss about sum and difference formulas. And it is also called as addition and subtraction formulas, and it plays a crucial role in trigonometry chapter. Okay, so do remember all these formulas what I'm going to provide over here. So take a note of it, and it will be really helpful for you while you are attending any competitive exam, or you are a person who are preparing for your exams in your schooling level or in intermediate level, whatever it might be, it will be really helpful. So if you remember these formulas, it's going to be super helpful for you while attending complex problems. Okay, so you can easily crack those problems if you can remember these formulas what I'm providing over here. And I'll also start problems from the coming videos. So take a note of it, and it will be helpful for you while watching those videos as well. Okay. So I hope you have taken note of it, all these formulas, whatever I provided. So these are all called basic formulas that you need to remember. So it will be really helpful for you while attending any kind of problems in trigonometry. Okay. So from next video onwards, we're going to slowly start the problems, and we'll see each and every model in trigonometry. Okay. And if you have any doubts, just comment me so answer doubt so that I can clarify you. And so please share this presentation to your friends and colleagues so that it will be helpful for them also. Okay. And so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up to this video, and do subscribe to our channel and stay connected for frequent updates from our channel. Okay, thank you.